Good morning, guys. We are here to make some money today. Let's see what is going on with the market. I just got on. I'm a little late today, but we did just get on. Let's just quickly go over what is going on with the market. Hold on, I just need to get my ear pods, make sure that we are good to go. I just need a second here to figure things out a little bit. Okay, all right, can't find them. It's okay. Let me know if you guys can hear me clearly, and if you can, we are ready to rock and roll, it seems like. Okay. Oh, here they are. They were right here. Okay. Let's see if we can get a connection. Yes, we can. Hello, welcome. I have Doge and Tesla opened up. We're looking at both of them. Tesla seeming to rock a little bit towards the bottom today. And Doge, new highs. It seems like Doge has found 60 cents to be the new high, which I think is pretty cool. You know, Doge is Doge. I mean, I don't know how long this can... It looks like it's going to hit 70 cents like today. I would think that that is possible. And it is something that can totally be done, but I don't know. I don't know just yet. I'm still trying to figure all of this out myself. So, okay. Let's just quickly go over here. Make sure I have things typed in and kind of taken care of where I want them to. Okay, so what's up everybody? Where are you guys from? Where are you joining from? What stocks are you invested in? We can hear you clearly. Great. That is amazing. Okay. All right, guys. We are ready and we are live. We're looking at the market. We're looking at ticker symbols. If you guys have anything you want me to look at in the meantime, just let me know. Market is about to open in 9 minutes. So we have 9 minutes of watch time. We are going to try to make some trades. I'm not really excited about today. I'm not going to lie. Things are, I mean, you know, the futures are green, but it's one of those days that I'm just not excited about. I'm not going to be trading aggressively. I am looking at a couple of stocks that I think will do well. Okay, so let's look at skills really quickly, SKLZ, and see where skills is at. Let's also take a look at Open Door. You guys know that Open Door is my portfolio favorite for 2021. And we have a couple of things going on with Open Door. So Open Door currently sitting at $19.64. What a steal. Skill sitting at $16.96. I think that is a steal as well. Let's take a look and see if we can see other ticker symbols as well. So we're not trading just yet. I'm aggressively trying to get out of AMD. I sold. MBIO is probably something that I would sell. MUDs is something that I sold yesterday. I was in silver. I did manage to hold on to silver as a hedge, but now what I'm thinking is I probably would want to sell silver as well. Portfolio looking good, guys. Portfolio is up almost 2% pre-market, but that could change. That doesn't really mean anything. And for those of you who invested in MU with me yesterday, congratulations. I think we're banking on that. We've made a little bit of money. It is up almost 1.5% since yesterday. So that's some good money right there that we made. We made money on Macy's yesterday. We made money on Tesla as well. I'm not too excited to jump into Tesla just yet. Hold on. Let's take a look at where Tesla's at. TSLA. Let's take a look at where Tesla is at and how we can, you know, get it or not get it. Let's see what's going on with the market. Market's running hot, guys. Market is running hot. RSI on Tesla is over. RSI on Tesla, by the way, is looking good right now. It is definitely oversold, which means that it may be a good time to get into Tesla at $681. Let's see, do we have Tesla in our portfolio? Because I do remember that we did sell Tesla just yesterday. And if we did, I would want to see where we sold it at. Okay, let me take a look at Tesla and see where we bought it at and see where we sold it at yesterday. Okay, so we bought Tesla yesterday at 675 ended up selling it at $680.24. So we made $5 a share. You know, I think that's marginal compared to where we're at, and we're gonna be looking at a couple of things. All right. Good morning, guys. Futures are looking green. Everything is looking green as of right now. The Dow is green, S&P is green, NASDAQ is green, oil is green. 10-year Treasury is creeping up to 1.6, which is a little scary. What are we looking at? What else are we looking at, guys? What are you guys investing in? What are you guys looking at today? Give me your ticker symbols and I will go through them on my screen right here. So OCGN, let's take a look at OCGN and see where OCGN is and how it's acting up for today. OCGN doing pretty well pre-market. A lot of people suggested to get into OCN options for this week. I will tell you that the RSI is lacking, meaning we don't have too much volume in OCGN right now, so I wouldn't really be aggressively attacking it just now. Okay, other than that, what else do we have? Ethereum looking good. Ethereum hovering, unable to hit that $3,500 mark, but it is holding. It seems like the new hold is about $3,200. Okay, Apple. So we did have a large buy candle. We have some volume moving in Apple. That's good news. And so that's kind of what we're going to be looking at for today. 128, I think 128 is already discounted. It is a discounted price. So, you know, that is as far as Apple is concerned. So we are looking at a couple of stocks, and you know, that's kind of what we're looking at. Hey guys, also remember to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm so that everybody gets notified that we are actually live right now. So that's kind of, you know, that's kind of definitely important. Okay, so what else is going on? I'm not buying, like I said earlier, I'm not buying Tesla. Let's see if, okay, what else do we have? Let's look at Facebook really quickly because large cap, mega caps are doing fairly well. Okay, so we did have a huge sell, and then that triggered a bought buy, I'm assuming. So this sell right here is a huge sell, and then this is obviously somebody's you know, somebody's purchase order got triggered over here, and that's what that is. So it wouldn't be you know, something super important. Hey Kevin, what's up? So that is kind of what that is looking like right now. I am going to my properties today. I'm going to be going through one of them, so hopefully I'll try to vlog a little bit of that and show you guys what's going on with my real estate portfolio. But of course, today, just like every day, we are here. We're here for the open. We're going to try to make a few trades if possible, and if we can, that would be good. We do need to wait. So like I said, I haven't bought anything pre-market today. I'm observing. I want to see how some of my options play out. I do have a PLTR option that I think will pan out very well for us in the portfolio, but in the meantime, I do want to take a look and see where we end up as far as open. Let's see how the market opens up, and then if we catch something, we catch something. If we don't, that's all right. We're gonna continue trading throughout the day and try to make some money. So that's kind of where that is. So Apple, by the way, the gap here, I don't know if you guys noticed this, but it's at 127.51, and then this is kind of where it gapped up and went down to 120 and went up to 128, and then 129 is where it's at right now. Okay, so that's good news. Apple's back at 129. I mean, it's not good news because it was at 135 not too long ago, but it is better than sitting at 127. That is for sure, because there's a worry that Apple may actually continue to fall. And I told you guys this earlier. I think May is going to be a very interesting month, so we have to trade extremely cautiously, and we have to be careful on how things go down. That is something for sure. So that's kind of where that is. I am not going to jump into Tesla. I'm not going to jump into Apple. I'm not going to jump into AMD. I'm watching Doge carefully. I'm not going to jump into it at this point. I think at this point I've invested enough money in Doge. It's part of the portfolio. You guys can take a look at that. I do think AMD may be the best bet for me right now. Okay, we got a minute to open. Let's see how markets open up, and let's see how things work out. Okay, so we have Apple. We're gonna open Tesla up really quickly. Tesla's up. All right, here you go, guys. Here you go. We're almost there. We're getting ready to make a move. Okay, what else do we have in the portfolio? Let's look at I would say I'm gonna look at NNDM and man, I can't believe this. NNDM and BNGO, both of them great companies to invest in. The growth stocks, you know, moved quite a bit. I can't believe that BNGO is below $6 right now. That is just crazy news. But it definitely does look like the right time to probably get into some of these stocks. Look at that candle. Look at that buy candle into Apple. We got some massive volume that's going to push Apple to 130. Apple already moving to 129, 54, 52, 51, 49. It looks like we are going to make a break, or it's trying to make a break for 130. Once it's above 130, then next level up would be 132, and then 135 beyond that. So that's kind of where Apple is sitting. So huge buy candle at the open. We're not seeing the volume on the sell side. Tesla, it looks like the volume is sell. So it's unbelievable how opposite these two stocks are, right? Like, look at the volume on Apple. It's green. Look at the candle on Apple. That's crazy that how green that marker is right here, right? So this is like super green. And then when you look at Tesla up here, this is actually super red. That means people are selling out of Tesla, and probably selling out of Tesla and getting into Apple. Okay, let's see if we can get into something. I would actually like to short a few stocks here. RSI on Apple moving up to neutral, RSI on Tesla moving down to oversold. That means Tesla may still have some room to go or bottom out. Okay, let's see. let's see how that pans out for us. Okay, what else is going on? What stocks are you guys looking at? Let me know what stocks you guys are looking at, and let's make this happen. Okay, so like I said, guys, we're just observing this morning. I don't think there's going to be any trades that are going to end up, being fruitful, and if they are, they're not worth the risk. So as of right now, we're just going to continue looking and seeing, and if we can find some opportunity, we will definitely look for the opportunity. So Tesla dropping like a rock, 678. Looks like it's going to go for 677, or looks like it is trying to go for 677, and it's important that we kind of track this and see where Tesla is going. Apple, like I said, trying to go for that 130. Once it hits 130, settles at 130, I think the next step up would be 132 for Apple. So that's something that we do need to look out for. Okay, let's look at Opendoor really quickly, because I do like the company. I think now is probably a good time to invest in it. Opendoor is at 1957, so that's kind of where Opendoor is at. Okay, I am looking at AMD. Okay, let's look at AMD and see if we can get some info. Okay, so AMD, huge sell-off. It does look like it is selling off big. I don't know. Hold on. Let me take a look at where I had bought AMD and sold AMD in the past. It was at 77, 81. It does seem like now may be a good time to get into AMD. However, I am going to continue to wait. AMD looks like it has dropped enough to where it could possibly be a good buy. Apple's still trying for that 130. We're going to wait and see what happens and figure out what is going on with Apple. All right, guys. AMD still pushing down. We're continuing to watch AMD. If AMD hits 77 or gets into the $77, we are going to probably end up buying AMD right now. So let's just take a look and see where we end up. Okay, looks like AMD still may have some room to run. Apple, like I said, trying for that 130. Once it goes up to 130, next level up would be $132. So that's kind of where we're at with Apple. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Looks interesting. Things are looking okay. Things are looking all right. And that is kind of where we're at. Okay, guys, trade. Let's see if we can trade something. You know, if we could trade something, I would rather short than long today, honestly. Like I said, it doesn't look like there's going to be much activity on the trades. Now, I am waiting for AMD's RSI to kind of hit this bottom or right over here. Once it does, I may actually jump into AMD and see if there's any money to be made here. A huge sell on AMD might be an opportunity for us to get in. We're going to wait. Like I said, I think it may be a little premature to get into it right now. Let's just see how this next candle settles, and we'll make a decision whether we want to jump into AMD just yet or we want to wait a little more. Okay, it seems like it's still going to be pushing downwards. The next candle is red. So I think we're just going to wait, guys. You know, like I said, it's not something that we are super excited about. I knew today was going to be like a slower day anyways. We're going to wait. We're going to wait and see. And here you go, AMD touching 78.49. It seems like today is going to be an interesting day. I wish I could have shorted stuff earlier in the morning, like a couple of minutes ago. I have not shorted anything just yet, which means we are going to hold and watch and see what happens. Portfolio as a whole, let me see where my portfolio is at, just to give you guys an idea. Portfolio is still up 1.78% as of right now. That's around $3,000. So we are up $3,000 for the day. That's good news, but that's mainly and primarily, I'm assuming, because of Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies, and of course MU that we invested in earlier. All right, guys, that's it for me. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna continue trading. I'm gonna send out my alerts as I trade, buy and sell stuff. So stay tuned. If you guys are not members, hit that join button next to the subscribe button, become members, and you guys will get my alerts throughout the day as I continue trading. I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys end of day.